162.6. Also, y'all, really quick, I think I'm going to weigh myself this morning and do a little check-in. And that is proof that I lost 4 pounds. I'm so excited. So to be honest, I wasn't really even going to film a video today because I'm editing. Well, I probably should, but I'm editing and probably gonna upload my the current video that I'm working on today, which will obviously already be up when you see this. But since I have lost like a few pounds, especially since the last episode, since the last video where I weighed myself in my morning routine video, I think I am gonna make this like a little vlog day. Like maybe I'll do like a get ready with me or something like that, and then just sit down and talk about what I've been doing. As you guys can see, I'll put the clip from the last video where I literally have lost 4 pounds since then, so which it's a lot to me. You know, I was in like a plateau for a while. So 4 pounds, especially in quarantine, like I think that's a good job. I think that's a good reflection on what I've been doing and what I've been eating. And I haven't been perfect, but I have been trying. So I'm always back in the 150s, guys. It has been probably since 2016 that I've been in the 150s. So hopefully next weigh-in I am in the 150s. Yeah, so we'll do a get ready with me today and I'll talk about what specifically I've been doing. Brought all my groceries out here just so I can like go over everything with you guys, what I got. Obviously this is like quarantine edition, so it's a pretty big grocery haul because I stocked up on a lot of things, but I just wanted to go over with you. Most of these things are like staples in my diet, but yeah, I just wanted to go over some things that I got and show you what I'm eating. First of all, these are the first time I'm actually trying these, but these are so good. They literally taste like little brownies, but they're Enjoy Life, Eat Freely, so they have free from all of these things. So these were like so freaking delicious. I just had 2 first time I have them, but they're so soft and gooey and yummy. Oh my gosh, they're so good. For some fruit, I got some pears, so I can cut those up for some snacks or put them in some yogurt. Baby spinach, pretty much like a necessity. By the way, I wiped all of this stuff down except for the things that are in packages. I still do need to wash them when I take them out of the packages. I have wiped all of this stuff down with Lysol wipes, I promise. And I also use gloves and a mask, so don't worry. I got celery and carrots for juicing. And then, under the carrots, I have some sweet potatoes. So I like to have sweet potatoes as a healthy starch with my dinners. And sometimes like they're so good if you just like bake them and sprinkle them with cinnamon. I got some toasted almond flakes. And these I think I'm gonna put in a banana bread that I wanna make. And then I got mushrooms to saute with some veggies, probably with the spinach. I got dates. I like to have dates just because sometimes I like to snack on them, but I also like to put them in smoothies. I will also be putting those in my banana bread. And here are bananas. So I'm gonna wait till those go like pretty spotty so I can make banana bread. And again, I got pecans for the banana bread. I got some cashews because I actually have been wanting to experiment with some vegan cheese. So I wanted to make a cheese sauce. I have a whole bunch of nutritional yeast and I have some like other ingredients, but I've never tried making any cheese sauce with cashew nuts, so I'm going to try that. Then we'll go back here. My favorite unsweetened Starbucks tea. I love to make my iced coffees in the morning with this, so I got 2 of those because I really needed to stock up. This and this one really, but Oatly oat drink, the barista edition, I cannot not have this unless there's something really wrong and I can't get it. I have to have my oat milk, and the barista version is just good for, I use it for barista stuff like making coffees, and I use it for other things. All right, let's go around here to my other staple in my diet, which is wine. And this is my favorite wine that I have found since I've been in the UK. And this is a Shiraz, which I never really drank until I got here, but it's called Jamshed. And this is like the perfect bold red that's like still a little bit sweet. Like the jamminess makes it like, has a little sweetness to it. So I got 2 bottles of that, y'all. And then I love my plant-based yogurt from All Pro. I get the vanilla. This is soy based. And I usually get the mango, but they were out, so I tried strawberry this time, but I love the mango one. I got baking powder to bake with. I already had baking soda. I got my Smart Balance non-stick spray. You guys, I have been obsessed with oranges lately. And the oranges here, I don't know what it is, but they're so good. And they're so like sweet and just so good. And vitamin C is so good for you. So that's another staple in my diet. Berries are a staple in my diet. So I have some blackberries here, which I haven't had in a while, but then I always have strawberries just because they're so easy. And yeah, I guess like my socks. I haven't really had a lot of donuts lately, but I figured I can have them on my socks. I get willow butter. I love to have real butter in my diet, y'all. Like, I love to eat a lot of plant-based stuff, and I like to do my part, but I'm not completely plant-based. I'm definitely not a vegan. So I do like to have my like willow, or I like to get Kerrygold butter, but this one's really good. This is one I've discovered since I've been in the UK, but I love Kerrygold. If you're in the United States, buy Kerrygold. It's just so good. I have to have eggs. I usually get free range, but I'm not being picky during this time, so I love eggs for breakfast. I just love eggs for dinner. Like, I love eggs any time of the day. So yeah, I got semi-sweet chocolate chips from Enjoy Life that have all natural ingredients, allergy friendly, from the same brand of the cookies over there. I got those to put in my banana bread. And I got some garlic. I always love to have garlic. I always love to have onions. I always cook with onions. So I usually get these red onions, and then I also have some brown onions over here. Here's some coconut oil. I love to cook with coconut oil and use it for my body, but this is for the kitchen. I also had to get some candles because I have candles, the same ones over here in my living room, but that one just went out. So it was like perfect timing that I restocked up on those. They smell so good. Then let's go to this bowl. I just have my already washed fruits and stuff. So I have my lemons, I already washed these, washed my avocados, and I washed the ginger. So the ginger will definitely be going into the juices, probably some lemons too, but I love to make like lemon water, and then avocados I just like either by themselves or with avocado toast, and limes of course too. I haven't washed these yet, so I'm gonna keep those in the bag. But tea, I love tea. I love chai tea. I had a couple of bags of like chai the other day. I had a couple bags left, and I've just been like obsessed with chai tea. I love chai tea, and I've been making some yummy chai tea lattes, so I decided to say chai tea 3 times fast. I decided to stock up on some, and I love this Puka brand. Also broccoli, so I'll put this in my stir fry. I always buy fresh broccoli. I love the broccoli crowns. It's just fresh broccoli to me. If you can get it versus like frozen broccoli, it really does taste so much better in my opinion. I like to roast it either in the oven or in the air fryer. I hardly ever eat steamed broccoli, but yeah. Then I get these Oatly creamy oat things. You can use these for some really frothy, like creamy lattes, or if you're like me, I use them as soup bases or like in pasta sauces to make them super creamy, but with no dairy. Then I got this sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread. I don't know if you guys watch Molly Bailey. She does like lifestyle and fitness videos and stuff. She has 2 different channels, but she is always talking about sourdough bread, and I love sourdough bread. I try not to have too much regular bread in my diet, but I feel like if I'm gonna have 1 slice of bread, I want it to be good, and I'll have it with like my avocado toast or whatever. So I mean, it's not gonna kill me. Then I got some coconut flour. I think I'm gonna use this to make the banana bread. I really wanted to get almond flour, but I couldn't find any when I was at the store. I really couldn't find any other flour except for this. So I may try to order some flour off of Amazon. Hopefully that gets here within the next couple days when these start to turn. Oh yeah, and then I just got some mild cheddar cheese. Yeah, I think that is it. I wanted to film this for you guys in my weight loss check-in video. So yeah, guys, sorry. When I first recorded my weigh-in, it actually was 2 days ago, and I was going to film a get ready with me, but I didn't because I was going IG live with Raven from Beauty Maven Raven a little while later, and I didn't want to like do my makeup and then take it off and then do it again because we were doing like a get ready with me on IG live. So I decided instead of doing a get ready with me to just do the grocery haul in here. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's kind of like pretty much what I've been eating. All right, guys, I went to go change my shirt because I was pretty much, my nipples were basically showing through my last shirt. I just got this little like a crop top type of thing. I don't have on a bra because I haven't been wearing a bra during this damn thing. I know I didn't really officially do a physique update, so maybe I'll just start doing these, but I did want to show you kind of like what I'm looking like. So I do have like lower belly fat that I really want to get rid of, but of course like in my Lululemons looks better. I will say my butt has been getting like perkier since I've started this, and I have like an okay butt. Like my boyfriend loves my butt, but I wish I had like a little bit more cheeks. But you know what? I'm gonna get some muscle going under there and we're gonna get some good cheeks. Operation Build a Booty, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's kind of like hard to see, but I've also been like sort of like, can you guys sort of see like the ab definition like a little bit? Like just like the little like side dips, like look. And then like I have stretch marks, like don't mind me. People like ask what those scars are. I'm like, no, they're just stretch marks. Let me stop showing my bottom boob, but yeah. So that's what it looks like without. Little flabby there, but that's okay because we gonna fix that. I will say, like, I have not been bloated. Like, this is me not bloated. So this is me not bloated. And I'm gonna actually, so anyway, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a physique update. Wanted to give you an idea of what I was kind of doing to lose the weight. And yeah, I will check in next month with an update, hopefully with either some pounds down or some body fat percentage down. I have been taking a couple rest days just because my cramps have been so terrible. Like yesterday I was actually feeling better, but like the 3 days before that I had taken straight rest days just because I couldn't. So yesterday I did work out. Today I didn't work out again, but I did go grocery shopping, and then it took me forever to clean and like do all my grocery stuff, and then I did the haul and like all this stuff. So I will be back to working out fasted HIIT in the morning, and then we will check in and do a weight loss update tomorrow. Next month. All right guys, I love you. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.